friends of the interwebs. My name is Katie Casey. This is my very first YouTube video on my channel, Dapper DIY. So I've kind of gotten out of doing crafts, and I used to love being crafty, love being creative. I'm not super artsy, but I love DIY. So I'm making a channel to combine two of my favorite loves, Disney and crafts. I'm here at Animal Kingdom, and anytime I come, I like to wear animal print, safari chic, nature tones. So today, you guys are gonna learn how to make a straw hat with animal print.
Alrighty then. Painting this hat is cheap and easy. My nickname in high school. So I got this little straw friend on clearance, and seeing how summer is over, you may too. Or you may go the easy peasy route and order all the materials you need on Amazon. I will have the links to the items in the description below. So what do you need? You need a straw hat, you need acrylic paint, 2 different shades, and you need some brushes. They don't need to be new. The crappier the better, because we ain't painting a Picasso. Also, grab some practice paper to get a feel for the type of print you want to imprint on. You're going to typically go with your lighter shade first. I started with some fun thumbprint blots in this golden tan, and slowly realized I kind of like them a little more round. So play around with it. Let it dry. Then you're going to add your accent edges with a darker shade. Here I use this chocolate non-edible color. Is non-edible a word? I don't even know. This chocolate color. So when I lined the edges, I did about like 1 to 3 lines around. So some I had 1, some I had 2, some I had 3. You're not going to line all the way around. You're going to make it imperfect. 2 tend to be my go-to lines though. Most of them had 2 lines. So when following through painting your hat, you will find you need a lot more paint because the straw really soaks it up quite a bit. Okay, so let's blot them out. Let's make some blots on the hat. There you go. Okay. So your hat will begin to have these beautiful misshapen polka dots. I went through adding smaller dots to even it out a bit. Let your dots dry before attempting to add your accent lines. This is what takes the longest time in painting your hat. Just like with your practice run, you want to add 1 to 3 accent lines to each dot. They're going to outline, but you don't want to cover the whole dot or make it too thick. I really wanted to space it out and make it more organic and less matchy-matchy. So I tried to really pay attention to where I added the lines. Seriously, this craft does not take any skill. You don't have to be artsy, and you don't want to outline perfectly. You want things to be organic. You want things to have weird edges and blotchiness. It's okay. It's what makes it unique, you know? You'll notice on the very back of the hat, I added a little hidden Mickey, of course, to really add a magical touch. And I think that's the perfect ending for a Disney craft, to have a little hidden Mickey. I hope you found this video useful and easy. Again, the links are in the description below. Wear this to Animal Kingdom. Be proud of your DIY. Wear it like a dang crown on your head. This channel is intended to help me really get my craft on and be creative and be the outlet that I need. If you want more Disney crafts, feel free to be my 2nd subscriber. First is my mom. Hi, Mom. Thanks for watching.